everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Xbox application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Xbox application on your iPhone is easy. Make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, tap Open App Store. In the search box, type in Xbox and perform your search. Once you find the Xbox application displayed on the next page, tap the download button to begin the download process. Xbox is a gaming brand created by Microsoft. It also includes video game consoles such as Xbox One and Xbox Series. With an Xbox console, you can play games in physical form or download digital games from the Xbox Store. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app, and that is how you can easily download Xbox application. Set up your console and connect with all of your friends in one place with this application installed on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.